Kid Camp.
A is for apple. B is for bear. C is for candy. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog.
G is for gorilla. H is for heart.
I is for ice cream. J is for jam. K is for kite. L is for lump. M is for moon. N is for net. O is for octopus. P is for pet.
Q is for queen. R is for rat.
S is for snake. T is for taste. U is for unicorn. V is for vase. W is for worm. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zoo.
And that's it, I'm done, Woo. We went through.
Kid Camp.